Here is the 2010 to 2015 Hyundai Tucson. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now that's where the lights are. The way to access the bulbs is we have to open up the lift gate, and right there you will find the access panel. We have to get the panel off. Yep, that one. For that you can use a flathead screwdriver or your car key. Just get the key in there like that and then pull it down. We're gonna pry it out. Yep, the panel is off. Keep it somewhere safe. Let's look at it from a different angle. That big gray bulb holder, that's the one for the brake light bulb or the tail light bulb. I'm going to show you two ways how you can get it out. One, just twist it left, and now you'll have to spend a few seconds trying to wiggle it out because the wire is sort of in the way, but you can get it out. And there it is. You just have to be patient. There you go. Now if you're not able to do it this way, I'm going to show you another way. We'll have to take the electrical connector off. So disconnect it from there, press it down, disconnect it, slide it out of there. Now slide that other part, just slide it the way I'm showing it, and it's gonna come right out. Now at this point, same process, just twist the bulb holder left, loosen it, but now you have a lot more room to play around with over there. That is good. Now to get the bulb out, just press it down and twist it left. See how I can press down? Right, so press down, twist it left, and off the bulb comes. Let's take a closer look at it. It's a twin filament bulb with the bulb size right there on it, 2357. Again, 2357, that's the bulb size number. Get the new bulb and put it in the bulb holder. Now if you're having trouble pushing it down like this, just stop, take it out, turn it around, and now put it in. Now you should be able to push it down. So push it down, twist it right, let it go, and it's locked in place. Now look at that big tab on the bulb holder and see how I align it with the light when I put it in. When I do it that way, the bulb holder just sort of drops right in. See, nothing's sticking out, it's sitting flush. If you're unable to do it that way, you just have to spend a few seconds twisting and turning it to align it before it drops in. Then twist it right, put this one half of the electrical connector on and slide it on there. Get the other half, line it like that, and then just push it down to lock it in place. When you put the panel back on, the lower edge, that should go in first with those two clips sticking out. That goes in. Align everything, just push it, and it's in place, and that's it, you're done.